You work hard, you make money, you do it for yourself. That's not life. You go out, you seek for people who need your help, you make their lives better. When you realize that you have changed someone's life and because of you, this person didn't give up. That is the day when you live.
Tip for you today, huwag mong hanapin ang madali. Ang hanapin mo, ano yung tamang proseso na kailangan mong daanan para maging successful ka. Walang shortcut, kasi hindi success ang lalapit sa'yo. If you want it, you have to work for it. Ang tagumpay ay nakakamit sa pamamagitan ng dedikasyon, pagsusumikap at pagtsatsaga. It may not be an easy journey, pero tandaan mo, lahat ng pagsusumikap mo at pagsasakripisyo mo ngayon ay worth it lahat sa dulo. Huwag kang sumuko dahil makakamit mo rin yung mga pangarap mo. God bless you.